back to my channel. It's me Shagufta and today I'm gonna show you this look right here. It's a Radhika Apte Vouge look. Hey she. So guys, I really love her look, so I want to create it. So guys, without much talk, let's directly jump into video. So guys, I have already applied my base and moving to the first I'm starting with the eyebrows. I'm using a Mua palette. I'm using here this darker one shade for my eyebrows. But you just have to, fill that area where you don't have hairs. So just filling it and paper tape. I'm cutting it into half. So guys, for her look, I'm taking a nykaa rocky line kajal, and we have to draw straight line from guys, I'm using on top of that kajal this 24 karat nude Maybelline palette. So I'm using here this shade. So guys, next I'm using oriflame liner to line this area. So we have to do this very patiently. Stop. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget comment, like and subscribe my channel, and do let me know in comment section if any one of you gonna try this look, and you can share your picture with me using this hashtag at #SMeLoveDIY, and then you can share your image with me on Instagram so I can see it. So guys, if you want me to create more celebrity look, do let me know in comment section, and I will link all my social media handles in description box. Please do and check it out. So guys, do follow me, and until next time.